Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Taurus. So these cards are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Taurus. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energy. So this will be the card. We will leave it here. And for your love guidance, this will be the card. I will leave this card here. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. Taurus. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have given my good friend of mine. She is doing personal reading, guys, in Fiverr. So I'll be sharing the link in the description. If you are interested, you can contact her, Taurus. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies first. So we have 8 of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and Ace of Wands. So in your circumstances, guys, Taurus, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are really working hard, trying your best, doing your best, maybe using your skills and talents, but you have some distractions in your work situation. Maybe your concentration is being affected. Maybe you see some circumstances or some offers are better than what you are doing right now. So some kind of what to say lack of interest or a change of interest, you are focusing on something else. That may be the reason for some troubles in your work situation. Maybe you are not concentrating enough, guys. And for some of you, you are thinking too much of yourself. Maybe you are you feel that you are the one who is doing things the right way. So again, that may be the reason for some mistakes, because you feel that you are doing things the right way, but there are certain things you need to do in a better way, guys. There are better ways to do things. So that may again be the reason for some mistakes. So the same way in your relationship also, you feel that you are handling this circumstance according to your way of seeing things, according to your perception. And you have a lot of dreams about your person, about this love. And maybe that may again work in a negative way for some of you, because you constantly compare your person with whatever dream qualities you expect, and maybe that may be the reason for some arguments or something not going right, maybe some misunderstanding in this relationship. And you feel that you are making the right choices each and every time, but you need to listen to this person, guys. Taurus, if you want a meaningful connection and with this person you have a level of understanding, things are what to say, you are trying to understand each other, and it may be a new relationship. Again, that may again be the reason the way things are. Maybe some misunderstandings may be there because it is the beginning of this relationship, guys, Taurus. So for some of you, I see you are still trying to understand, trying to get that hang of this person, of this relationship. So we picked one card for your relationship, and it is Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So this card again, maybe for some reason you do not trust this person. You feel that something is missing in this love, maybe guys, and you want to change the way things are going. Maybe you are just like we saw with the previous cards, your focus is on something else, or maybe they have their attention on something else, and that may be the reason for the way things are going today. Maybe they feel distracted, or they are not being really, what to say, being here for you in this connection. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card, guys. Let's see what it is. It is Tower. So in your work situation, there are a lot of changes happening, something which you cannot, what to say, understand, something which you wish never happened today. But Taurus, you need to understand that these changes are here for a reason, and the reason may be for something better to come in your life very soon, guys. So though you may not like it, though you may feel that these changes are really negative and it is not giving you clarity and you don't know where things are going in your future, you need to understand that these changes are here just to make sure that everything goes well for you in your future. So whatever is not working is leaving you, and all good opportunities or better opportunities are coming towards you in your career situation, guys. Taurus. So for your moon energies, let's see what is the card, guys. So we picked one card. Take time to breathe out. A similar energy with this card, guys. So it just means that maybe certain circumstances have peaked. It may be in your relationship, or it may be in your work situation, and it is time for you to learn from your experience. Whatever you went through, learn from it, and have faith that whatever is happening right now is for something good today in your life, Taurus. And it may be the time for you to relax and assimilate all that you went through and learn being honest with yourself. And remember, life goes in cycles. So if you feel that this may not be such a good time, you can rest assured that better times will be here very soon, guys. And it is time for you to share your knowledge and experience with the people you love, maybe with your family or with your friend or with this person. If you do that, you are going to get more clarity and you're going to feel more peaceful and happy. And you need to take time off from all that worries you have, guys, and just think of your circumstances from a different point of view. That is going to give you more clarity. And you need to have faith in a better future. That is what this card is about, guys. So whatever happened has happened. So when you have a positive outlook on life, things are going to go in a very good way for your Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your love guidance. We picked one card. Transformation, a very beautiful apt card for your reading, guys, today. So Taurus, all of us are going through change whether we like it or not. So we go through so much change, and change is a part of life. So from a small caterpillar, the way it develops into a butterfly, same way with us. we need to awaken to our birthright as a spiritual being. So we go through so many changes, and when we change in a beautiful way, emotionally and spiritually, people will see the change in us and they will feel positive, and they will also move towards that change, transformation happening within themselves. And when we handle our circumstances in a very positive way, guys, we can be happy that we are going to get only that positive vibration back to us. So we must give up all that confusion, doubts, whatever we have today. Maybe there may be some of you may be relocating to a different place, or maybe taking up a different job, and there are huge changes coming your way, and we need to understand that these changes are necessary. These changes are happening to give us that experience and push us in the right way, guys. So that is this card about Taurus, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.